Today I will show you how to make green screen videos easily. So this is the video I have to make green screen video, just as sample. So let's go for the process. First go to run mail. Sign up using Gmail or email. I hope you know how to do it. It's very easy. After sign up, then login and you will see this interface. Now you can see the remove background option. Click here. Upload the video you want to make green screen. I am uploading the simple one. It will take some time to upload. I will fast forward it so the tutorial will be fast. Okay, upload done. So now we have to select the subject area to make the green screen. So I'm selecting the girl for masking and I want this girl to be subject and the whole area will be removed. Clicking the dots and AI will automatically select the subject. After giving the transparency 100%, I can ensure that the subject is selected 100% or not. After masking done, then I will click on done masking. Now after everything done, I will click on export and rename it and select on 720 because 1080p and 4K are for premium versions. So I'll select on 720, clicking on export, and it will take some time and I will fast forward it. Okay, export is done. Now I will click on download. Let's wait for download. I will make it quick. Okay, let's see how perfect the green screen video is. Wow, look at that. Perfect green screen video with just one click. Okay, now one bonus tip for you. We saw that we can only download 720p video, but we can make it to 4K, right? By upscaling to 4K. So how to do it? We have another video on our channel. Please watch it and you can make it to 4K video. I hope you loved the video, and if you want more useful tutorial like this, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.